Okay, well, we're here at Algonquin Park, access number 4 to Rain Lake, and we're just heading out on our little expedition. This is the launching point at Rain Lake. It rained last night, which didn't give us a very peaceful sleep, but this morning we woke to a peaceful, cool mist. This is Moccasin Lake. There's 2 campsites here.
It's the end of Friday and we're in Algonquin Park, and the bugs are annoying, but the place really is beautiful, and I like trying to fish, and cooking all the things is fun. Dad likes coming to Algonquin Park because of the serenity. I don't know if he knows what it means. I think he just likes the word. Dad thinks that fishing is 95% muscle and 10% wits, but the rest is all good luck.
think the most interesting thing for me on this trip was how long it took my city brain to shut off. Actually, you know, in the city you're always thinking, gotta be somewhere else, gotta be somewhere else, gotta be somewhere else. As we were going through the portages, it was, Rain Lake, Sawyer Lake, Jubilee, thinking next one, next one, next one, next one, instead of actually slowing down and just relaxing and enjoying where you were at the time. And when you get to the campsite, you think, okay, set up this, get the fire going, get the dinner going, get the next thing going, next thing, instead of just learning to relax and enjoy the thing that you're actually doing.
Well, it's been raining quite a bit since we got here, and when it isn't raining, it remains cloudy and overcast. The mosquitoes and black flies are pretty much always at us. They're probably at their peak right now in early June. But despite that, we're having a great time, and it's amazing how our own pace has slowed down being out here in the beauty and natural environment of Algonquin. We seem to be talking quieter and just a lot more relaxed out here. It's something that I'm going to be thinking about for a long time.